This is Rhino Tough. This is the demo and assembly of the ONYX HD7700. This heavy-duty tabletop punch is the top-of-the-line punch solution for all your binding needs. Once you've removed your machine from the box, place it on a sturdy table and remove the plastic coating that protects the transparent cover of the chip tray. Inside the chip tray, you'll find all the parts of assembly that you'll need. There's oil for lubrication, 2 handles to lock and unlock the die, a power cord, a palm switch, as well as the foot pedal. The first step is to install the 2 handles. Remove from the bag and place them on either side, screwing them tight all the way down. These will serve as the lock and unlocking of the punch dies. The ONYX HD77 comes with a foot pedal that plugs into the back of the machine and activates the punch. Also included with this machine is the palm switch. Some prefer it to the foot pedal. It plugs in the same place on the back of the machine and is activated either by finger or by palm. If you have purchased the optional Versa switch, now would be a good time to install it. Simply remove the knob from the paper stop and take the stop itself off. Then replace it with the Versa switch and screw the same knob back down. This switch plugs into the back of the machine in the same spot for the foot pedal or the palm switch. For the ONYX HD7700, the dies go in on the right hand side. Place them in, slide it all the way in until the black part is flush with the machine, and then lock both handles on the right and left. With everything all set up, let's watch a demonstration and see it in action. First, you'll need to set the paper stop according to your project's needs. For this project, we're using 11-inch paper and a 3:1 pitch die. Twist the dial on the left side of the machine to fine-tune to get it exactly on the line that you need. With that all set, let's run a test paper. Slide into the throat of the machine all the way to the left, press down on the palm switch or the foot pedal. A handy test at this point is to fold the paper in half, line up the corners, and see if the holes all line up. This will show you just how centered things are and whether or not there are any mispunched or half-punched holes. In our case, we have one, so we'll remove the die by unlocking both sides of the machine, pull the die out, and we're going to remove the pin that we don't need. Right here, lined up with a half hole, is a pin. So remove the carriage top, pull out the pin, tap back on, we're all set. Pin removal for all Rhino Tough dies are done the same way. You press the carriage down, you lift the top, you pull the pin out, and you replace the top. They're all the same, it's very simple. Slide the die back into the machine and lock both handles on the left and right hand side. Let's make a second to test punch and we'll see how we're doing. This one looks perfect. Do the full test again and everything looks great. It's time to begin. With your project all in order and the way you'd like it to be, process through your whole project pack by pack of up to 55 sheets in a single punch. As with all Rhino Tough ONYX series punches, a unique auto reverse feature is automatically in play. As you work, this feature automatically senses the amount of paper and reverses the motor and pins to reduce paper jams. However, in the event of a paper jam, stored on the back side of the machine is a small handle. This goes in on the left hand side of the machine and fits right into the groove. Turning it counterclockwise will reverse the pins on the machine. Then you can remove your paper. If you need to, you can peer down just to the left side of the paper stop and you can actually watch the pins retract to make sure they're all gone before you remove your paper. The chip tray in the front is transparent so you can see right through to keep an eye on just how many chips are building up. That's it, you're on your way to a great many books with the ONYX HD7700. The ONYX series.